Gardening is fun. She explores the garden and the horse. Walk through the plants need to grow. Water and a thirsty heart. In a pot they like to live. They pour with light the sun will give. It's been so fun to plant with you. The garden time is nearly through. So sing together one last tune. We'll plant together again soon. Sing to the earth to blame the sun. Gardening is fun. Look at the plants, what do you see? Yellow, pink and green. Sing to the earth to blame the sun. Gardening is fun. She explores the garden and the horse.